Hey guys, welcome back to Driving TV. I'm super excited because in today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys 10 ways, 10 things that you need to avoid in order to pass your road test. Now, here are all the possible ways that you could fail your test, which is going to give you an idea of what to expect, what to keep an eye on, and what to practice daily so that when you go to the road test, you are prepared and ready and know what to do when they ask you to do it. So there's no way that you could fail the road test if you pay attention to this video, if you practice, if you study, and you go with a confident attitude and mindset. With that being said, I'm going to let you guys know that obviously subscribe to my channel if you're a new driver or simply somebody who wants to go over all their driving skills and practice and get better, or just a refreshment. This is your channel for that. Make sure that you subscribe to this channel if you found it helpful. If you found this video that you like it, please give it a thumbs up. Leave your feedback because it's very important. I love to read the comments, to hear you guys out. Love it. Thank you so much for taking your time to do that and giving me the thumbs up and all of that. Subscribe again if you found this video or this channel helpful, and that notification bell, also turn it on because it will notify you when I upload my next video, which will be coming up tomorrow and this whole week. That being said, let's get right to it.
So, failure to observe traffic signs and signals. One of the most common reasons for failing is not following traffic signs and signals. Make sure you come to a complete stop at stop signs. Obey traffic signs, traffic lights, and follow all road signs. It's not just about stopping, but it's about stopping behind the line and looking in all directions before proceeding. Rolling stops or failing to yield at a flashing yellow light can also lead to immediate failure. Understanding the meaning of all road signs, including yield signs, school zones, and pedestrians crossings, is crucial. Improper lane use. So, staying in your lane is crucial. Don't weave in and out of lanes, or straddle lane lines. Use your signals when changing lanes and check your blind spots. This means more than just a quick glance. Make sure it's safe before you move over. Lane discipline also includes not making illegal lane changes, such as crossing double yellow lines or moving into lanes without checking for oncoming traffic. Practice maintaining a steady position within your lane, especially during those turns and curves. Now, lack of control and steering. You need to show that you have a full control of the vehicle. Okay, so this includes smooth steering, proper hand positioning, and not oversteering or understeering. Always keep both hands on the wheel at all times, except when shifting gears in a manual car. Jerky movements or frequent corrections can indicate a lack of control. So practice driving smoothly in many different conditions to build that confidence that you need. Inadequate observations. So always be aware of your surroundings. Check your mirrors regularly. Look over your shoulder when changing lanes and be aware of pedestrians and other vehicles. This is also very important because it includes checking intersections before crossing, even if you have the right of way, and being mindful of your blind spots, especially when backing up or parallel parking. Proper observation helps prevent accidents and shows the examiner that you are aware and attentive. So, speeding or driving too slowly. Driving at an appropriate speed is key. Don't exceed the speed limit, but also avoid driving too slowly, as this can disrupt the flow of traffic and be dangerous as well. Adhering the speed limits, especially in school zones and residential areas, is crucial. Driving too slowly can be just as hazardous as speeding, as you can cause other drivers to make risky maneuvers and get around you and cause an accident. Practice driving at different speeds to become comfortable with controlling your speed appropriately. So, Improper turns is another one. So make sure that you know how to make safe legal turns. Signal well in advance. It's very important. Use the correct lane and complete the turn smoothly without cutting corners or swinging wide. Right turns should be tight to the curb, while left turns should be made from the correct lane into the correct lane. Failing to follow these rules can result in dangerous situations and failing the test. Practice making turns at various intersections to make sure that you understand the correct procedures. Poor parking skills. You should be able to demonstrate good parking skills, including parallel parking, angle parking, and parking in 8 lots. Make sure to practice these until you feel confident. Many testers lose points for being able to park correctly within the lines or for bumping into the curb. Practice parking in different scenarios and make sure that you understand how to position your car accurately and safely. So, failure to yield right of way. Understanding and correctly yielding the right of way is essential. This includes yielding to pedestrians, other vehicles, and emergency vehicles. Not yielding when required can lead to dangerous situations and can automatically cause you to fail the road test. For example, not yielding to a pedestrian at a crosswalk or oncoming traffic when making a left turn shows a lack of understanding of basic driving rules. Make sure to practice yielding in different scenarios that you understand what that is and get comfortable with it. So, not following instructions. Listen carefully to the examiner's instructions and follow them smoothly. If you're unsure about something, don't hesitate to ask for clarification. Clear communication is crucial. Misinterpreting an instruction can lead to mistakes that could have been avoided. Don't be afraid to ask the examiner to repeat or clarify a direction if you need it. Practice listening to and following directions while driving to improve this skill. Nervousness and lack of confidence. So, being overly nervous can lead to mistakes. You know this. We have discussed this in other videos. If you have not seen the video of fear, guys, go back and check it out. It's very helpful. Practice as much as you can. As I've always said, it's what allows you to build that confidence that you need. Remember to breathe and stay calm during the test. Confidence comes from practice and preparation. Try to simulate test conditions with a trusted friend or family member acting as the examiner. This will help you to get used to the feeling of being evaluated and reduce anxiety on the actual test date. Obviously, always practice, study, and you'll be fine. Remember, the mindset is also everything. So make sure that you have a positive mindset, that you guys feel relaxed. Keep breathing and everything's going to be okay. So, in conclusions, being aware of these common mistakes and practicing your driving skills can greatly improve your chances of passing your road test. I already had told you in this video and I've gone over what could fail you and what you need to keep an eye on. So now you know, practice, and study as much as you can. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you don't miss out on my other videos that I will be uploading this week. Good luck on your road test, and see you in the next one.